In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and download audio from Murf AI. First, start by logging into your Murf AI account and opening the project that contains the audio you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you have multiple drafts or versions. Once the project loads, you'll be working from the main editor where your tracks, voiceovers, and timing are all visible. Before exporting, take a moment to review your audio so you know it's ready. Play it from start to finish and listen for any issues like clipped words, awkward pauses, or volume jumps. If your project includes multiple scenes or tracks, confirm the transitions sound smooth and that background music, if any, sits at a comfortable level beneath the voice. This quick quality check can save you time, because it's always faster to fix inside the project than to re-export later. When you're satisfied, look to the top right of the screen and click the Export button. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a labeled button or a small icon, but it's typically in that upper right area of the interface. Clicking it will open the Export panel where you can fine-tune how your audio file will be created. Next, choose your desired audio format. MP3 is a great choice if you need a smaller file for sharing, streaming, or quick previews. WAV is uncompressed and retains full quality, which is ideal for professional editing, archiving, or when you plan to do additional processing in another audio or video tool. If you're unsure, MP3 works well for most general uses, while WAV is best when ultimate quality matters. Now select your export settings. Set your audio quality or bitrate based on your needs. Higher bitrates produce better sound but larger files. If sample rate and channel options are available, 44.1 kHz is common for music and podcasts, while 48 kHz is often used for video workflows. Choose a clear file name that helps you identify the version, such as including the date or revision number, so it's easy to find later. Finally, click the Download button to save the file to your computer. Your browser may ask where to save it, or it may go straight to your Downloads folder. Wait for the download to complete, and you'll have a ready-to-use audio file that you can share, upload, or import into your editor. That's all there is to it. Review, export, choose your format and settings, and download your finished audio from Murf AI.